Subscribe if you love animals. Here are 5 short facts about geese. Loyal, geese often mate for life, forming strong bonds with their partners. Migratory, many geese species migrate long distances, flying in a distinctive V formation to conserve energy. Aggressive defenders. Geese are known for being territorial and will aggressively protect their nests from intruders. Herbivores, they primarily eat grasses, grains, and plants, often grazing in fields or wetlands. Vocal communication. Geese are highly vocal, using honks and other sounds to communicate with their flock during migration and daily activities.